Andrea from Andrea Speaks TV here, back to bringing more news and commentary you can use. Listen, y'all, I thought this would be a good time to do a garden update. So I'm actually live in Home Depot. I came to get a couple of things, and these are all the seeds they have, y'all. Okay, so now many people have, some people have already started their fall garden. I'm actually behind, so I'm going to be getting some seeds started today. And these are all the seeds. So normally they have multiple, stands of seeds, and so it looks like they have all they have all just combined them into one. Okay, some are vegetables, some are like flowers, things like that. But this is what they have, y'all. They're even low on the seed starting mix. You all have seen me show this in my seed starting videos, but this is what they have. And so I just want to come on and give you all a quick update. So again, y'all, with the way that food shortages are going, like I said, y'all, less food is being grown today to harvest tomorrow. Make sure you have a backup plan, which includes being able to have food if none is available. Some people say not if none is available, but when no food is available. Okay, in other words, some speculate that it's just a matter of time. Okay. All right, y'all, take care, be blessed. I just want to come live here in Home Depot and let you all see exactly what I was seeing. The gardening section, kind of looks a little bit slim here. Of course, this is just one area. Y'all give me just a minute. I'll take you to the other side. Hold on, y'all. Y'all can kind of see how they have the different plants. Okay, even on that side. I'll take y'all around here. Let me go out to the actual garden area. And hold on, let me show you. Excuse me. All right, so these are just some of the organic plant food section. One thing I did notice, y'all, fish fertilizer. I haven't seen them get any more of that in, so a lot of people use that. You all have heard me talk about using that in my garden. Oh, here's some over here. This looks like a fairly new bottle. You can see some of them kind of faded. All right, y'all, take care, be blessed. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Talk to y'all soon.